听台湾看世界，来看美国总统大选第一场的辩论。台湾时间早起的9点来举行。美国的总统拜登甲前总统川普让去年再度来交手，引起着注目。这场的辩论是美国有线电视新闻网 CNN 主办的。拜登甲川普针对经济、拍胎、移民、外交等等几啊项的议题激烈辩论。
美国历史，美国总统大选头一场辩论上场，主办单位美国有线电视新闻网派出2位资深主播同齐主持。在解说完辩论规则，现今的美国总统拜登和前总统川普进入会场，两人无握手，直接徛定会。大选辩论的议题就是经济，拜登讲川普的政策灰扫扫，佮骂川普调降公司税是道理好野人。
Greatest economy in the world. He's the only one that thinks that. I think he had the largest tax cut in American history, $2 trillion. He raised a deficit larger than any president has in any one.
骂川普任命的3位大法官赞成推翻宪法保障提囡仔权的罗素为了案裁决。川普讲的是非法移民保留造成提囡仔问题，佮惊到人讲民主党执政的手会害死囡仔。
As we say, rip the baby out of the womb in the 9th month and kill the baby. Nobody wants that to happen, Democrat or Republican. Nobody wants it to happen.
川普佮大力骂拜登开放边境政策，稳准恐怖分子进入美国。
And because of his ridiculous, insane, and very stupid policies, people are coming in and they're killing our citizens.
在乌克兰问题，川普除了攻击拜登政府对乌克兰军援支出收济，佮讲家己若是搁一摆当选，会结束乌克兰战争，互拜登是听袂做。
Putin is a war criminal. He's killed thousands and thousands of people. And he has made one thing clear. He wants to reestablish what was part of the Soviet Empire, not just a piece. He wants all of Ukraine. That's what he wants. And then you think he'll stop there?
针对中东战争，拜登搁一摆讲支持以色列。伫咧90分钟内底，两人对真侪项议题辩论。2024年美国总统大选的战会，互观众开始徛关山看马小塔。
Hello， 我是陈雅玲。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。